Kayak Safety Essentials. Hello, friends. Today, we're going to dive into an important topic for all water sports enthusiasts: kayak safety. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced kayaker, staying safe on the water is crucial. So, let's paddle through the essentials of kayak safety together. Kayak safety involves a combination of knowledge, skills, and equipment to ensure you can enjoy the sport while minimizing risks. It's about being prepared for various conditions and responding correctly to any emergencies. Every kayaker should be equipped with the following safety gear: personal flotation device, PFD, a must-have for staying afloat. Helmet, protects your head from injuries. Whistle or signaling device, for calling for help in emergencies. Bilge pump, to remove water from your kayak. Plan your kayaking trip by checking the weather conditions, knowing the water temperature, being aware of the route and potential hazards, informing someone about your plan and expected return time. Proper paddling techniques not only make your trip more enjoyable but also safer. Remember to keep a good posture, use proper strokes to maintain control, understand how to navigate currents and obstacles. In case of an emergency, stay calm and signal for help. If you capsize, keep hold of your kayak and paddle. Practice self-rescue techniques before your trip. We hope this video has equipped you with the key points on kayak safety. Remember, the water is unpredictable, but with the right preparation and knowledge, you can make every kayaking adventure a safe and enjoyable one. Happy paddling and stay safe out there!